This is an unboxing video for Just4Kira color contact lenses. It comes packaged like this. Okay, beautiful, comfortable, breathable. In the package, it comes with instructions on how to put in your contacts for anyone that's a newbie. And it comes with the lenses. As you guys can see, I have opened each individual lens just so I can look at the true colors inside of the box. So pay that no mind. I have 4 lenses, so for each lens it does come in an individual package. This is one of the lenses. It will always give you the color right here, and it comes with 1 lens per box, one for the right eye and the other one for the left eye. Then it comes with the lens case. I love the packaging because it's not loose like the other contact lenses that I'm used to. It is already in the actual case. This does not move. And it comes with this tool so that you can grab and pick your lens, and this other tool so that you can place your lens on here so that then you can insert it in your eye. Now, I do advise for you to soak your lenses overnight in an actual solution, and this is what I use. I use the BioTrue solution, and I will be soaking it overnight so that then I can try on the lenses for you guys in the next video. So that is all, you guys. I just wanted to show off the lenses that I got. I have 4 lenses. Check me out on the next video for a product review and try on so I can share with you guys the comfortability of the lenses and what they look like on a person with my particular complexion, although I do have a little tan, but it doesn't matter. So this is Just4Kira.